and it begins with white. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So in this video I'm sharing with you the progress shots I took while creating one of my recent Biro Art commissions. This piece was made with big ballpoint pen on needlepoint paper. I used the smooth surface on the needlepoint paper to create this artwork, and this piece was completed within 4 days. I was working on 3 artworks simultaneously, and I even had to work some nights with a not so good light source, as you can see from the previous slides. But that didn't in any way discourage me from completing and delivering on the commissions timely. I even broke my own duration limit as I delivered on the 2 art pieces within 2 weeks, as opposed to the usual 2 to 4 weeks I spend on one piece. So as an artist, you can achieve whatsoever you set your mind to achieve in art. The artwork was framed and delivered safely somewhere in Nigeria. Thanks for watching.